Greetings and welcome back to The Pride. My name is Muphasa El Matador. They call me the Curious Cat. My job is pretty simple. I help you catch the momentum. And today we're looking at XXII. Awesome. The momentum series is geared to all of my day traders and swing traders. First, you can check out the GGPI video I have in the link above. Polestar is going to be the new ticker PSNY starting tomorrow. Check that out. But today we're focused on XXII. 2 days ago, on the 22nd, I got the catalyst that XXII was going to be delivering nicotine-free cigarettes. And why is this a big deal? With nicotine-free cigarettes in alignment with Biden's plan to reduce the nicotine addiction in the United States, XXII is positioned to actually steal market share from Altria, which is the big dog in the cigarette industry. Big deal. So, catalyst. With the solid catalyst in play, all I had to do was inform my team. You can simply join the team by hitting the links below, become a patron, and you can join us. So I let it be known in the Discord and the private chat that XXII was a great play and we could pick it up with our option strategy. And I showed them the catalyst in the private chat group. You can join us to get these beforehand. And once that was said, I jumped in and I will be showing you guys the technicals to see why I went in. But the catalyst was so good that I was able to pick up a bunch of contracts. I've played this twice, actually. I hit 50% 2 days ago or yesterday, and I was able to sell out and keep 5 contracts. And I played it again once I saw weakness yesterday, being the 23rd. You're going to be seeing this on the 24th. So I got in on weakness. I picked up another 10 contracts and I saw it pushing, and I let the team know that there was a solid resistance of $2.37. If that was turned into ice being where resistance turns into support, and I was going to trade this all the way to $2.80, which is the next resistance level, and check out. Lo and behold, it broke through resistance like it wasn't there. I mean, this thing went from 237 to 260 in a matter of minutes. Before the end of trading session, we had 260. I went from being stuck at 50% to a solid 170% before the day ran out at $2.61. I played the $3 call expiring 7:15. Let the whole team know. So we definitely made bank on this particular trade. If you like to see content like this, hit the links, come join the team. With that, we're going to jump into the technicals. Perfect. Well, nicotine-free cigarettes is actually a really big deal. I saw earlier today that there's now a ban on Juul e-cigarettes, so those vape pens, completely banned in the United States. So the Biden administration is actually serious about a nicotine-free United States. You can see April 29th, XXII was very confident that the nicotine-free cigarettes would not be part of this ban. And lo and behold, they're allowed to actually sell their cigarettes. And with the news coming out 2 days ago, you can see over the last 2 sessions, this went from trading at $155 to a high of about $260 yesterday. So once we got the catalyst, realized it was a big deal, we jumped in with our calls and we've been able to make money. I doubled my money playing this particular. This is what I do. I've been doing this every single week. I've had at least one home run, and you can check me out, Muphasa El Matador. You can hit all of the links and see what I do. You can join my family by hitting the Patreon link. We're an amazing group of individuals who do the simple things consistently. If you like content like this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. With that said, let me show you what I did. So once I had the catalyst, I've dissected this whole thing. I had my support lines, which are green, ice lines, which are blue, resistance trend, which is red. And I'm going to switch this to the 5 minutes so you can see what we were able to trade. and why, right? So the catalyst came out and this thing went straight from being a $1 stock, $1.50 and some change. And there was no resistance, just green candles all the way, boom, 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 boom. So we jumped in and we got out once we saw that the RSI was way above 70. We took profits, but we stayed in knowing that this catalyst was going to have another run. So we were expecting it to hold support here. It didn't. At the ice line, it broke below ice, but then I saw buying pressure come in yesterday. That gave me the confidence that this could run again. So at open today, it fell below my ice line again, and I picked up a bunch of contracts. The team was already informed about this whole thing, so I let them know the XXI was still in play, and we kept it pushing. So it broke through the support line and kept trading nicely with the 21 EMA. This was where I saw all the activity, right? So we saw 237 as strong resistance, and I was hoping that it would turn this to ice. Ice being where resistance becomes support. And if you look really closely at this particular trade, you would see it broke through ice, and then it sat on ice, went up, came back, and at the ice line, buying pressure came in. The market is honeycombed with buy and sell orders. Once 237 held as support, where it served as resistance before, I was confident we would be trading this thing to $2.80. The reason I have 280 cents is that is my next ice line, 286. I paid the $3 call, and I think like a million people. So once I get to 280, I am out of this trade. Basically, once I see this thing as being overbought, I'll be taking profits and moving on. This is a swing trade for me. In the current market setups, you have to trade a perfect setup, a good catalyst. Know your levels. Don't be greedy. Get in and get out. With that said, if you like content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see when we post videos like this. If you would like to see a catalyst before we get these plays going, all you have to do is become a Patreon. Come join the family and we can eat together. With that said, it's Muphasa El Matador. Peace.